Alright, what's good, YouTube? Today we got some seafood nachos. So the ingredients you're gonna need is seasoning, whatever seasonings you want to use. I'm using some sea salt, Creole seasoning, cayenne pepper, and some black pepper.
Damn.
Alright, so we're gonna use some shrimp. I got jumbo and I got mini shrimp. Crab meat, cilantro,
right there, though? What's right there?
cut up cilantro, green onions. We got Tostitos, we got the scoops. You can use whatever scoops or whatever chips you want to. We're gonna use Tostitos today. We're gonna need some queso cheese, whatever cheese you guys wanna use. I believe this is, just says queso cheese, jalapenos, yeah. That's what we're gonna use, and you're gonna need some butter, of course. Alright, so the first thing you're gonna need to do is get a good amount of butter, put it in your pan. This is gonna be for the shrimp, and then I'm gonna put the crab meat in here. So I'm gonna do 2 separate pans. You don't wanna cross that up right now.
Muy bien.
It's still raw, you don't wanna cross that up. So you're gonna let the butter melt. And then when it's melted, you're gonna add the shrimp in. Alright, so while the butter's melting in both pans, I went ahead and put some butter in that one for the crab meat. But while that's melting, this is when you're gonna have to start seasoning. So you're gonna open up this Creole seasoning like that. Not too much. Tiny little hole. You just gonna sprinkle dinkle. Sprinkle dinkle. Okay? Mix it all up. Make sure you work it in there, man. Work it in there. Add a little bit more. And then once again, you take the spatula and you work it in there. Okay? You work it in there. Same thing with the rest of the seasonings. Get some black pepper.
Damn, this about to poke on.
Hit it like that. Hit it like that. Mix it in. Boom. One more time. Hit it like that. Mix it in. Boom. So this cayenne pepper is real hot. So why did I take the whole thing off? Nigga, you super hot. So you wanna literally just sprinkle this. Okay?
Oh.
Just a little razzle dazzle. Cause that's real spicy. Delicioso, that's right.
Muy bien.
Muy bien, that's very good. You already know. That's the butter over there sizzling, greasing the pans up. It's gonna get a shrimp and crab meat, good buttery flavor. Same thing with all the seasonings, man. Just mix them in and work them in. Same thing with the salt. Enough salt, Willie. But yeah, mix that salt in there. Buckets. Mix that salt in there. If you feel like you need some more seasoning, go ahead and add it. I feel like I need a little bit more. So I'm gonna hit it with this one right here. Work it in there. Work it in there. Okay, same thing with this crab meat. Now the crab meat, I'm just gonna hit it with a little salt.
How much? Just a little bit, just a little dab.
That's just a little dab.
Okay. Hey,
I'm in the bowl.
TV up.
Look coming out, but it's Gucci. It's cool. You know what I'm saying? I'm just hitting it with a little salt. Okay. So this going right here. You just gonna throw that crab meat in there like that.
Oh,
Sizzling now.
Throw it in there like that.
Get a close shot on there, brother.
Let that sizzle. Let that cook. Throw a little pepper in there. Feel me? So that's it. And then same thing with this shrimp here.
What you gonna do with that shrimp? What you gonna do with that shrimp?
What we're gonna do is we're gonna make sure that butter all in the pan. Same thing with the shrimp. Boom, let's hit it. Boom, just like that. Let it cook, let it sizzle. You don't want to overcook your meats, because that's why they get too mushy. You don't want that.
Damn right.
So, cook it, cook it, cook it. If you feel like you need some more seasoning, add some. But go ahead and just saute these shrimp up, saute the crabs up. That's the first step.
Say that shit.
And while this is going, go ahead and preheat your oven at 350.
3 what?
350. 350.
Alright, cool.
So I'll be back once all the shrimp cooked. Oh, that's for like when we done. See, when we're done, we're gonna put all of this on one pan, and we're gonna pop it in the oven for about a good 15 minutes on 350.
All right, bet.
So yeah, but I'll be back when all the shrimp and all the crab meat is done.
I thought you was gonna try it.
No.
You couldn't do it.
No. Alright, so the crab meat and shrimp all cooked right here. Okay, y'all see that? This should look like when it's done. So I was trying to throw this in the oven. We're gonna bust open a bag of scoop chips. Make sure you grease your pan first with oil or spray, pan spray, whatever you use. Throw the chips down. Like that. And boom. So we're gonna hit them with some salt. And we're gonna add the meat in. Just throw it on there. Throw it all on there. Spread it out. Boom. So now it's time to warm up these cheese dips, and I think, oh yeah, the microwave, it says 45 to 60 seconds. So depending on whatever cheese you get, you gotta read the directions. You know, on here it says 45 seconds to 60 seconds. So we're gonna pop this in the microwave, and we're gonna be right back. Alright, so we got these all heated up. Got the shrimp and the chips prepped. So now we're gonna take some cheese and we just gonna pour it just like that. Yeah, get up close on it. Spread it. Look who woke up. Put the camera on him. Look who woke up when he smells stuff getting cooked. Rise and shine, boy. Over here. So that's the first one. Depending on what size you buy this, it might be enough, but we need to get two of them. So we're gonna hit it again with another one. Bam. Okay. Get them edges. Edges. Some of y'all ain't got no edges. I'm playing, but yeah, just hit the edges too, man. Spread it, and boom. That's your foundation right there. That's the foundation.
All right, tell them how it is.
Quick and easy.
Tell them how it is.
Easy meals. All the people out there in college struggling.
Can't afford shit.
Can't afford nothing. I mean,
That's me.
I'm not gonna even lie to you.
That's me right there.
I bought the pre-cut crab meat in the pre-bagged shrimp. You know, the cheap kind. Not gonna even lie. Hey man, learn to make it work. So we're gonna hit it with the green onions. See that? You look wonderful too, dude. Hit them edges too, man. Thank you, sir. Trade. And last but not least, you're gonna come in with the cilantro. Cilantro.
Same difference.
I don't know. What
Same difference. Make sure you get them edges, man.
Talk to me then.
Let me talk to y'all, man.
Talk to
Get the
me.
edges. And boom. Oh yeah, get the edges and the waves. Okay, I'm forcing. But yeah. Hit it with the cilantro, whatever you want to. Now it's time to pop it in the oven. By the time you finish prepping this, it should be time to put it in the oven. So you're gonna bring the pan over on 350. 350. Gonna place it in there. And we're gonna let it cook for about 15 to 20 minutes. And I'll see y'all when it's done, man. All right, everybody. So after 15 to 20 minutes, this is what your finished product should look like. Everything should be together. The cheese should be nice and melted. And it should smell delightful. Okay? Delightful. It looks wonderful. I want to thank y'all for watching. If you got this far, if you guys try out this recipe, or you just think it's a great recipe to, try out, leave a comment down below. More cooking videos coming, more workout videos coming as well. I thank everyone for supporting me. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, follow me on Twitter, And yeah, more content coming soon. Thank y'all for watching. Peace out.